I go on in me. I mesukpeti water project update. Here, geologists and engineers I mesukpeti. Ne ake machine ya mazigbam, ake computer ya mazigbam. Kone wa mahia hene ke wa chwa boholo nge nyuma ba wa. Hene ke wa chwa nge ne wa bizigbam ya wa bi chwa ke asisi too much logo mananyu. Lo ake machine ya wozigbam here. Ne achwo he ne ke wa chwa ne wa mananyu. Ne ade wo nke ake machine mi maho ganya. Kone ama analyze survey ne ama kona ma hawo heto wa ama wo more information eh say aba page mo no hie lo engineers ke surveyors o me geologists o ma ba ne ake machine ba wo zigbam ga ayi mesukpeti lower monya ne ama hano amole in few days time ama no amole ne ke wa twa tututu no ama no nyunge wa ama no amole ne ake mo information o ma drillers o me ne na ba twa engineers na ba twa ni oni che ake mo information ma ha me kone ke mi aba mesukpeti o ne ake drilling machine ba amole hene ka ke machine ma pe enyuma ba ma lo ape hene inge la ni nyele jano se hu no inge la ni mo de lower monya assembly o ke lower monya MP okay esanini no epe mezo ka ahinsin lu na le kan ni mi no me hianyu na pe ono ko ngai esanini epe mezo Mr Telabi Oklete MP esanini epe mozo MCE lower monya esanini epe mozo kan oni chum jinone o chuwe ni chum no de wo man bi o me lo anga ni chum no chu hamo wo man bi o me le wa pe wa yi lo anga ni no pe esanini epe mozo lo kenye man singa lejon ne zo benye hem ne nye bi nyi no me nye bi jo no me no ya nye ma ha me nyu papa na manu na anga nyu muse nu anga nyu gbidi nu na mo nu yo nye hinsi ne ke tu 4 years tan nye ba de ko avote nye que su 4 years tan ni ma de wo ke wa vote nye ke po nyi zo wa mo pe han nye inyi mi o me ipa nye pe como no chuwe o ke ska ko belolo alo chuwe lo inyi mi lo amo no chu wa nyi mi nga yu no ahia wa boam ahia wo anu na inyi mi anu na imi lika ni na nga yu no anu na nga nyu ki no ili dada no video nke ni ngesen ni inyi mi ebe fe lo ke mo no chuwe lolo alo ke ska ko belolo inyi mi lo amo no chu Nyechumka. Hi guys. Yesterday, geologists and engineers went to Ayimesukpeti to survey the land to see where we can get water when the drillers come. So they plugged computers into the soil in order to find out where water is close to the surface, and they will give this information to the drillers so that when the drillers come around, they will find water easily, right? They wouldn't have to dig too long or too far down the ground in order to find water. It will make their life easy for them. And I want to inform you about this. Now, I'm saying that if the lower Monya MCE and the lower Monya MP, Mr. Oklete Telabi and Mr. Simon, if they won't do anything to help the villagers, right? To help the communities in the village. We the people, we the citizens, right, of Lower Monya or Krobo land will help them. Right? If they won't do their job, we the citizens will do the job for them. Right? If they are not ashamed, right? If they are not ashamed, right? If Mr. Oklete Telabi is not ashamed, if Mr. Simon, Lower Monya MC is not ashamed, right? That we should be contributing money in order to give these villagers water, clean water, then they should be there. We'll be doing this job for them. We'll be doing this job for them. And then in 4 years' time, they should come and tell us to vote for them again. Right? If they are not ashamed that we are doing their job for them. Right? It is not acceptable at this time, this 21st century, people should be drinking dirty water. It is not acceptable. Right? For me, I will not accept it. My brothers and sisters, people in the village are really suffering. They are really suffering. All right? They are really suffering. And we'll keep doing this. We'll keep going from village to help. If they won't help, they should be there. Thank you so much. If you have not contributed, please try and contribute. Our brothers and sisters in the village, our parents in the village need our help. Right? Some of them are really struggling with clean water. Right? They can't get clean water. They are drinking dirty water. Please, so try and contribute. Try and donate any amount you can so that we can keep helping. Thank you so much.